y'all, this is Shelly Price with SARS. I'm here today to show y'all how to install a Remulak muzzle brake. First thing you always want to do, safety first, check your gun, make sure it's unloaded. I'm going to grab your Remulak muzzle brake. You're going to tighten up the nut. You're going to place it on your rifle barrel. Screw it on down. So easy, even a girl can do it. Next thing you want to do is you're going to tighten up the nut. Okay. Make sure it's lined up, which mine is not. So I'm going to loosen it up, line it up, tighten up my lock nut, grab my wrench, tighten it up even more. Alright, and there you have it. See y'all out on the range.